Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a mosaic clone body effect on CapCut apps. So select the video or whatever you want to edit, just click on your project. But I'm going to open my project, and to add the mosaic clone body effect, all you have to do, just click on effect, select body effect. So in trending you can find the mosaic clone, just click on it and click on it again to adjust the option right here. So just for the size and range, and then speed, and also intensity. Just click check marks or down. So this is the final effect you have on your video, but this is a pro effect, so you have to join propers to be able to use this effect. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.